What's up, Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Karen Kurlz. Welcome. Well, today I am doing another KASTINY Polygel nail set, okay? And this time I chose to use white and the diamond silver. So I'm not going to go through the entire kit this time. Again, you guys, I will link the video for the last one that I did. You guys seem to like that video, so I decided to give you guys another one, and I wanted to use obviously a different color, especially from what I have been using forever. So if you guys would like to see how I got to these semi-stiletto nails, please stay tuned.
A little curly, little passing curl, a curly afro when I cut my hair, not a sheen when I try to relax her. Oh man, what a disaster. 23 when I cut it all off, 24 when I cut on natural.
Okay guys, as per usual, I am starting with my alcohol and cleaning off any excess oils on my nail beds so that I can have this stuff apply so much easier. And if I haven't said it, I want to tell you guys how much I love this polygel set. But here I am using the base coat, and you're going to apply a thin layer to all of your fingernails, and then you're just going to cure that underneath of the UV light. So I allowed that to dry for 90 seconds and then moved on and did that to the other hand. And then I am just going to take some of my polygel and apply that to my nails. Now I do have that cotton down there because you want to make sure you use a super thin coat of that to make sure that it will stick, because if you use too much of it, it will not stick and you will be stuck like I was the last time trying to figure this out for an entire hour. Okay, y'all. So it's okay if it does get a little bit too wet. Just let it sit to the side and dry for a few seconds, and then you can try and cure it after that. So here I am trying that marble look, and then I am just using a very small dab of white and then that silver, and then I'm just going to blend that, and we're going to see how that looks when it is done, you guys. I just love the way this pops off your fingernail. It's just so satisfying. But yes, look guys, that's how it came out. So I am going to try and be fancy and I'm going to try and cure the next two at the exact same time and let you guys see how that process is, because it does take a little bit longer than doing your regular nails because you have to allow each one to cure. So yes, it definitely worked. I was able to do those two and then do my thumb. So now I am going to go in and work on the other hand and see you guys in a little bit. So just keep watching. Here's another look at the marble for the other nails, and then I figured I'd pop all 5 of these off at the same time because like I told you guys, super satisfying. So I definitely need to get better at figuring out how much I need to use because my nails are not going to be that long. So I am just going to cut them down here and get them down to the size that I like them. I like them to be a little longer than like what people call a sport cut. So it's almost a natural length nail. It's just literally a small extension on it. Now I'm just going to file my nails to my liking and try and get that shape that I'm going for. You guys, I was so indecisive. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go for the coffin, which is what I usually go for, or if I would try out the stiletto on all of my nails. But my thumb, you guys, I had to keep that one mostly coffin because I can't open everything with those sharp stiletto nails. How do you guys do it? But they look so pretty, so I love them. So I did try the coffin shape, but I am definitely going to go back and change all of them to stiletto, as you guys will see by the end of the video. So just keep watching. Now I am just drilling any excess from under my nail. If you guys don't do that, it is going to be a little uncomfortable because it does create a little bubble for you. So if you don't have a drill, you can just take a nail file and point in the tip a little bit to make it a little bit sharp and do this. It will take you a lot more time to do this. This drill was about $30 to $35. I did also get this on Amazon, and I did do a review with this product as soon as I bought it. So I'll make sure that I leave a link to that video in the description box. And now I'm just going to go in with my drill. I'm not going to keep talking through the rest of it because it's pretty self-explanatory. I am just going to take my drill and I'm going to even out, buff, and file my nails to my liking. And then we are just going to go in with the top base coat. So I will talk to you guys when we get to that point. So enjoy and keep watching. I'm just using my alcohol to wipe off any of that excess dust or anything that was left on my nails before I apply that top coat. And now I'm just going to apply a very thin layer of the top coat to each one of my fingernails. And you guessed it, allow it to cure for 90 seconds. And now we have our final product. Okay guys, so what did you think? Do you like these stilettos? You like it? I hope you guys like it. It's not perfect, but it is perfect for me. Okay, I decided not to use gems. Y'all know I love my gems, but I decided not to use gems this time because I use them too much and they get caught on everything, especially when I'm doing my hair. Speaking of hair, if you guys like this hairstyle, I will also leave a link to that in the description box. Also, as a reminder, please drink your water. Look at this. You see that? You can see my collarbone coming back. I am thinking of doing a my weight loss journey video for you guys because I'm losing weight. Can you guys see it? No? Anyway, drink your water, fix your posture, fix your posture, fix your posture. Okay, this is getting out of control. But anyway, if you guys like this video, please be sure to subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!